So tonight at 5, attorneys for the suspect accused of killing Abby Williams and Libby German in Delphi want the state Supreme Court to get involved again.
They're now asking the court to appoint a special judge to rule on motions that they say the current judge has neglected in the case. Karen Campbell's going over the document. She's in the newsroom now with a look at what this means now for this evolving case. Karen?
Yeah, attorneys for Richard Allen say it's been months since they've heard from the court on 2 of their requests. And today, attorney Andrew Baldwin filed a formal request asking the Supreme Court to determine if a ruling has been delayed beyond what the state's rules allow. The main issue is Alan Frank's motion. Now, those motions challenge the validity of a search warrant based on newly discovered evidence. Allen's attorneys filed 2 in March and April. The court came back in May and said both of those motions will be ruled upon and not set for hearing unless necessary. Attorneys said, look, it's been 64 days since the court claimed that it would be ruling on both motions. And here's the question. Did the court take too long to issue a ruling or hold a hearing according to Indiana's trial rules? Now, that rule states if a court does not set a motion for a hearing within 30 days or fails to rule on a motion within 30 days after it was heard or filed, if no hearing was required, that motion will be withdrawn from the trial judge and transferred to the Supreme Court to appoint a special judge. Now, attorneys also argue when the defense filed a motion to ask the judge to recuse herself, they say that only took 14 days for the judge to deny that request.
All right, that's Karen Campbell reporting live from the newsroom tonight, and this is a case that we've been following closely for years, ever since those 2 teens, Abby and Libby, disappeared more than 7 years ago.
You can see all of our coverage on our website. We made it easy for you to find.
All you have to do is scan this QR code. It's on the screen. It'll take you to the website at WTHR.com/Delphi.